Ready.
Matrix in DTA problems I am explaining. What is DTA? Give the A matrix. DTA we find out. Adjoint. Next one find out. First one DTA. DTA give the matrix. You write DTA and then this is constant. 3 into 4 into minus 3. Next one 4 into this is cancel. This cancel 7 into 4.
Okay.
80 and 3 into 4 into 7, 3 into 1. This is cancel. This is 4 minus 3 minus 12 minus this is cancel. This is cancel. 6 2 by 2 matrix. 6 1 minus 8. That one is 1. This is cancel. 60 minus 7 8. This is 88. Next one 3 into 4 minus 3 1 only 4 minus 4 6 minus 8 minus 2 plus 6 into 3 6 is 18 minus 72 3 plus 8 plus 54 equal to minus 33. Next one adjoint here. Apply the symbols. This matrix apply the symbols. Plus to minus plus to minus to plus to minus to plus to minus to plus. Apply this matrix. Next one, this is cancel. Adjoint here problem I am explaining. 7 minus 1, 7 minus 3. This cancel. 7 minus 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 6 into minus 4 into this cancel. 6 minus 8 plus 1 plus symbol minus this one next one 6 is minus 20 8 7 56. Next one second line minus this is cancel 4 1 4 3 next one plus symbol 3 1 3 8 next one minus symbol this is cancel 2 3 8 next one this is cancel 7 4 7 minus symbol plus symbol 7 4 minus 3 into 3 is cancel. This 3 value minus 3 value 3 value 3 1 is 6. Next one this value this is cancel. 7 3 minus 6 and 4. This value is 4 minus 3 is 7 minus 3 4 2 minus 2 plus 38 less than subtraction less than subtraction minus 1 subtraction 5 minus 5 and this value subtraction this value 7 4 subtraction minus 3 subtraction minus 3 this value I can get.
Super.
Yeah.